Hey, it's Josie with Affirmation Pod, where I'm helping you live in self-love, whatever time of day you're listening to this, and whether you're new or you've listened before, welcome and thank you. Today's episode is called Confidence in Yourself. Some listeners have requested this because they've been pretty confident and they've slowly lost their confidence. The requests are to help them build it back. I also want to note that in the show notes of this episode, I've listed other episodes that I have related to having confidence in yourself. There's actually a related episodes list in every episode of Affirmation Pod. So even if you hop back all the way to episode 1, even those early episodes have a related episodes list. I just want to make it easier for you to find the episodes you need, because with over 300 episodes and counting, this will save you time and help you find what you're looking for. Speaking of which, if confidence in yourself is what you're looking for and what you're working on, I found for you a class that gives you 5 exercises to grow your confidence in self-care. It's also less than 30 minutes long, and it's a Skillshare staff pick, and it's also my pick. It's one of the best classes I've taken on Skillshare. Skillshare is the sponsor of this episode today. I love that right off the bat, Eugenia Washington, and yes, if her name sounds familiar, she is a model and actress, so you may have seen her other work, but like I was saying, right off the bat, she asks, are you confident? And follows that up with, does that question scare you? Does it make you nervous? The official name of the class is actually Confidence for Creatives, 5 exercises to grow your confidence in self-care. It is through Skillshare. Skillshare is the online learning community that empowers you to accomplish real growth in your life. So when you sign up for your free trial, I also recommend the classes on journaling, but please browse through the different topics. They'll inspire you and encourage you. Find what you need, enrich yourself, and explore your creativity at Skillshare.com/affirmation to get your free trial of premium membership. That's a free membership to so many inspirational classes when you go to Skillshare.com/affirmation. So again, it's Skillshare.com/affirmation. Now let's take a deep breath and connecting with your center as you listen to these affirmations for confidence in yourself. How I feel about myself, how I talk to myself, my whole relationship with myself is something I can work on, nurture, and I want to do that right now. I accept who I am. I am okay with acknowledging my strengths. I can say what I like and what I love about myself. I embrace where I'm at, while also embracing that I'm on my way to something new. I do my best every day, and I'm seeing myself in a better light than ever before. I'm thankful for how far I've come, and I'm grateful for who I am becoming. I am safe, secure, and confident. I am such a good person. I see where I've put myself down, and I'm teaching myself how I can build myself up. I believe in myself, and I continue to believe in myself. I am confident in what I can accomplish. I believe in my possibilities, I radiate self-confidence. I keep learning and growing. I keep building my confidence. With each new experience, I am able to achieve great things. I have the ability to make my dreams come true. My future is bright. My future will look very different from my past. I feel great about myself, my life, and my future. I am powerful, and I am capable of change. I am confident in my ability to create meaning, fulfillment, and success. I keep moving forward with what I want. I maintain confident energy, and I challenge myself to grow even more. I am confident. I love my confidence. I enjoy this journey I'm on. Every day, I'm becoming more confident. I love and embrace who I am, and I am so confident in myself. And that is my gift for you today. You know, I'm grateful for this podcast because it's grown my confidence in many ways. If you want to grow your confidence even more by listening to the Affirmation Pod episodes with no ads and no announcements, that's available for premium access members. Find out more by going to affirmationpod.com/join. Premium access members also get monthly bonus episodes. So again, it's at affirmationpod.com/join. And don't forget, check out Eugenia's class to help boost your confidence. It's through Skillshare, and you get a free trial of their premium membership when you go to skillshare.com/affirmation. Signing up also helps support me to continue to bring episodes to you. So again, that's at skillshare.com/affirmation. Thank you so much for investing in your confidence today. Now go be you, know you, and love you. This is Josie with Affirmation Pod. Bye for now.